Hi from Hawaii. My name is Brett, and for my Ultimate Fishing Niue video, I invited my two brothers from Arizona. Come join me on the island of Oahu and chase some big fish with light tackle. And we had the ultimate fishing experience of our own.
First catch of the day. It's a big boy.
Yeah, man!
Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh boy. Look at that. Oh boy. Big tuna. Oh yeah.
Dude, it's a chunk.
This thing literally almost pulled me off the boat.
Oh, we're on!
We're on, baby.
Yeah! Oh!
Oh no.
Not even trying, dude.
Oh man.
He's out of here.
Oh man. Oh.
Don't fool me, don't fool me. No! Please!
Oh no.
Oh! Wait.
Oh.
Did he get chomped? He got shark, man. He had to
There's a shark. There's a shark.
Look at that.
Oh no.
Just the chunk is heavy, dude. That was a straight dive. We couldn't have made line up with the boat, you know? I think the reason that was pulling so hard though is because that shark was ready to eat it the whole time. Gonna do a deep drop down to 1,000 feet. Try and catch some green snapper or some ruby snapper. I'll hold this line just because it's so hard to tell with that big 3-pound weight on there whether you got a bite or not.
Look at
100 meters.
up to something. Brett thinks it's a swordfish. We did a deep drop. I nodded off. I woke up to the rod bit over on the corner of my eye and got something on there. First fighting right now. We're like 30 minutes in.
Hooked up. It has to be a swordfish. We haven't seen it yet. Been watching Ultimate Fishing's videos on YouTube. And I decided I had to try it for myself in ultimate fishing style with the circle hook and a fighting harness. I'm creative what's next. Took the fish out of the boat and started pulling some line.
You got the shark. Look at the shark.
That's a thresher. That's a thresher shark, boys. What?
Let's take some around. Go up, let's go down. Go back around. Look at that, dude. Here he is. Got him. Oh, that is so cool.
What we thought was a swordfish was like a, I don't know, 10-foot thresher shark. Maybe bigger. Caught up to the boat, cut the hook, and let him go. Maybe next time. I'll try to get the distance.